Hello everyone, my name is Krish and I am going to present the presentation of impact of French Revolution on society. In this PPT, we are going to cover all of topic that are the social impact of the French Revolution on society and the political impact. So let's begin this PPT. And in this PPT, we are going to cover all of these topics like introduction, then the background, why the cause of French Revolution, and the references also we are going to cover. After this introduction, the French Revolution was a very turning point of the history and it changed the world history, and it is a very significant movement of the history, and it lead many significant changes like political impact in the society and social impacts, like it changed the society also. In this PPT, we are going to explore the whole thing about what is the impact on the society, and similarly we are going to background of French Revolution. So if you want to know the why, what is the impact, so we have to know that the background of this revolution, why this revolution happened. So these are the causes of the revolution, like social inequality. Like we know that the when in that time the French Revolution was divided into three states, like first, second and third. First was clergy, and second was nobility, and third was common people. And the only they have very inequality, like the first two states have privileges, but the third state don't have any privileges. That is also a very crucial cause of revolution. And second is heavy taxation on the third state. As we know that the only third state have to pay the tax, so that is also cause of revolution. And in that time many ideas like liberty, equality and fraternity are very promoted in that time by the philosopher like John Locke and etc. And after this there is a very economic crisis and food shortage. We know that in that time the French is in, and the French French have very heavy debt on country, and this revolution began from the storming the Bastille on July 1489. The political impact. As we know that the French became absolute democratic country, and the monarchy was absolutely abolished from this, and the King Louis XVI and Marie Antoinette got sentenced to death. And French Republic also established in 1792, and after this democracy rise very rapidly, and they introduced the right of human and citizens. And this revolution only not for French, it is also a very influential revolution for other countries like Latin America and Haiti. They got inspired by this revolution, and they also do revolution in their countries. Social impact and economic impact. The social impact is this: as we know in the French in the past, nobility and clergy have the privileges, but after French Revolution, social impact. So the abolition of feudalism and the privileges is happened, and middle class was rising very rapidly, and they have huge power in their hand, and socially they separate the enlightenment value like liberty, equality and fraternity also, and they improve the right for citizens and women. But we know that do you know that the women have the limited rights, because so that is not a universal. So we can see that there is not total democracy. In economic impact, as we know, economic impact, you know that the French have the very huge debt on countries, so they confession land of charge to reduce the national debt, and tax system was standardized. We know that the past tax system was very unfair, and they only the third state have to pay all the tax, but in the new tax system that was very fair, and all people have to equally pay the tax. And they also introduced new economic policies to promote trade and industry in the French. Here we go. Long-term global impact. The French Revolution inspired many countries like Latin America for their independence movement and also contribute for democracy or human right. And after the French Revolution, the Napoleon got in the power in the Europe politics, and the French Revolution is the foundation of socialist and the liberal movement. Similarly, culture and education impact. So after the French Revolution, they promote secularism and their language become standardized, and they implement new education policies, so everyone have the equal right to the education. And they also make new symbols of nationalism like French flag and national anthem Les Marseillaise. Here we go. Conclusion. We are going to discuss how we. So first is the French Revolution was major turning point of history, and second, it changed the society and the economic structure of the whole world, and the idea of democracy is promoted worldwide. There are some references by which you can also get more detail of French Revolution. Thank you.